How to write a one-page action plan. Clearly state the purpose and mission of your business. Why your business needs to exist. What your business mission within 12 months to reach the vision. Set specific goals to achieve within 12 months. Create simple, measurable details, goal descriptions. List all your business big advantages, big opportunities, limiting factors, and emergencies or threats as SWOT analysis. List weekly action steps and individuals who will be accountable for the collective action. If necessary, list daily action steps timeline. Monitor results using PDCA cycle. Repeating PDCA cycle daily and weekly leads to improvement in hourly efficiency, that is added value per hour, while simultaneously raising your awareness in business management. Produce daily profit and loss report. Adapting to market changes. Your thoughts become reality. You can do it.